Hi everyone, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom using a kitchen fork, some wool and some scissors. First of all, to get started, we just need to cut a piece of wool that we're going to put in between the middle two prongs of the fork, and then we're going to hold that tight in our hand so it doesn't get mixed up with the other wool. Then we're going to take the end of the wool and we're going to start wrapping it around the fork prongs, trying to keep it as even as possible. So we'll go from left to right and back again. We're just going to keep wrapping it round, keeping it nice and even. I think I wrapped it round approximately 50 times to give us a nice small little pom-pom. Okay, so now we've got to the end of that, we're going to snip off this excess wool, move that out of the way. Then we're going to take the wool, we're going to bring it back through the middle of the fork prongs, and we're going to tie this, and this is going to hold all our wool together. We'll just tie it like that now. Then if we slide it off carefully, that will allow us to tie it tight and tie it in a double knot. For extra measure, I'm going to turn it over and do the same again to make sure it is nice and super tight. Tie it in another double knot. Then I'm going to take my small scissors and we're going to start cutting through all the loops that we've made. And work our way along. Make sure we get all the middle ones and cut all those through. It's going to give us a nice fluffy looking pom-pom. We'll keep going, we'll do the other side. And go back, do the ones in the middle. Oops. Then, when we've cut them all, we're going to fluff the pom-pom round, and then we're going to use our time now to trim off all the excess long bits that we no longer need and make our pom-pom look neater. Give it a bit of a trim, getting any excess long bits. And there we have it. There is our little pom-pom ready to use in crafts. Look forward to seeing you at my next video. Bye for now.